All right, this lab is 6.3.8. It's our applied lab, formatting text for a sales presentation. It has multiple tasks for us to complete. On the first, it says make the following changes to the title slide 1. So I'm going to click on slide 1. It's highlighted in red. We're aligning the content of the title placeholder to the right. So we're going to go ahead and move that. Align the content of the subtitle placeholder to the left. So I'm going to click on that and move it over. Change the font of the main title to 48. So I'm going to click on this. Make sure you highlight the whole thing. You can do it a couple of ways. I'm going to actually do it this way. Bring it up to 48 and change the font color of the subtitle to white. Same thing by right clicking. I can get to this little menu here. I'm going to change it to white. I'm going to click off of that. I did 4 tasks there. I want to check, and I got 4 of them complete. I'm going to go down to the second one here on the left, make the changes to slide 2. So I'm going to go ahead to slide 2. In the content placeholder, modify the second and third bulleted items to be at the same level as the other items in the placeholder. So I'm going to click here and select both. Shape format, we don't want to do that, so I'm going to come back home, come in here to my decreased list level and move them over. In the content placeholder, change the bullet style of all items. So I'm going to do a Control A. I'm going to come up here to my bullet style to be our filled square bullets, which is that, right? That should be everything for the second, right? So I got that. I'm going to keep working. I'm going to slide down over here. On slide 4, so I'm going to scroll down over here. Here's our slide 4. Modify the font style on the character. Modify the font, can't talk today. Modify the font style of the character and the products and services titles to bold. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to come back over here and select bold. Same thing, products and services. Go home, select bold. And then for the 2 placeholders containing the bulleted list, so I'm going to do Control A, modify the before paragraph spacing to 12 point. So I'm going to come back home. I'm going into my format space or my paragraph spacing, and I want the before to be 12 point. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Click OK. And I'm going to come over here, Control A, do the same thing. Go to my before, 12, click OK. Let's check our answers. Everything looks good.